Deepshita Dhar, a popular face of students' movement in the Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi, has been nominated for Srirampur constituency by the Left Front. Sandesh Khali is 110 kilometers away from Srirampur, but it is a poll issue for Deepshita to take on both the TMC and the BJP.
Hi Deepshita, sorry we Deepshita, what made you fight this election?
We believe that this is the election that is going to decide whether India is going to remain as a democracy or not. Whether we're going to be run by a constitution or some people are going to run it like it's their some paternal property or something. So I think it came from that urge to safeguard the constitution, to safeguard the democracy, to ensure that the country that my forefathers have fought for, this India remain that same India.
Because you say it's about the constitution. Right. So are you saying the TMC is not following the constitution? You're fighting against the TMC also?
Yeah, they do not, because the kind of, you have seen what happened in Surat, right? The person was contesting against BJP, all of their nomination got cancelled. And this is not something new for people in Bengal. The last Panchayat election and the last Panchayat election, this was the same tradition that the TMC has followed. They own almost 70% seat without any contest. So this very idea of not having an opposition is something which is absolutely against the ethos of democracy. And the second thing is, what is our ideological problem with the BJP? Is the way they are using religion in the name of politics. If you're going to look at Mamata Banerjee, she was the first one who introduced identity politics or politics around the identity in West Bengal. There had been so many riots happening post-2011. We believe Mamata Banerjee has created a space for BJP where they can actually use their divisive policy, their religious
policy. The fight is more against the BJP than the TMC.
Yes, of course, nationally. But in Bengal, the TMC had actually been the biggest help for BJP. So in order to defeat BJP in center, you have to defeat Trinamool in Bengal.
Do you believe in the entire Sandesh Khali narrative that is playing out? Do you believe it? Do you believe it's happened?
We believe. We believe because the first person to report what is happening in Sandesh Khali, that was year 2014, where the left has an elected MLA there. His name is Nirapada Sardar. He is still contesting this time as MP. He was the first one who raised his voice and said that there are so many incidents like that happening in Sandesh Khali. People's land have been looted, women are raped, etc. Interestingly, when he was saying all that thing, his mic was stopped. And right now, who is the most vocal person against Sandesh Khali? Shubhendu Adhikari. In 2014, Shubhendu Adhikari was a TMC leader. So of course we believe whatever has happened in Sandesh Khali, of course it has truth in it. But it is interesting how people who remain silent or who remain complicit in the crimes of Sandesh Khali now has become the hero or now trying to champion the cause of the woman of Sandesh Khali. So we believe Sandesh Khali cannot be defeated by people who have done Hathras, people who have done Unnao.
Good luck.
Thank you so much. I'm very sorry to make you
No, not at all.